show you my sari collection. Nowadays, saris are nothing without statement blouses, and I am really blessed to have some few designers in my life who deliver me designer blouse pieces. Let's see my blouse collection. For the sake of the video, I have divided my blouses into 4 categories. The first one is the very neutral shade category, which is mostly of golden, beiges and blacks. The second one is blue pink category. The third one is maroon red green category, and the fourth one is the yellow orange category. So let's get started. So starting off with the first category, which includes golden, beiges, black and silver. So this is a very neutral basic blouse which is golden color, and it has long sleeves, and the back view of the blouse is like this, and it has a dory in it with pearl details hanging on the back, and the front view of the blouse is like this. Here comes the second one, and as you can see, it is a bit different than the previous one because it has a shimmery golden touch to it. This is the front view of the blouse, and I like this blouse a lot because the sleeves have elastic, and it's like puff sleeves which looks very cute when worn with a sari, and the back view of the blouse is like this. So here comes the third one, which is still different from the previous two because it has silvery golden touch to it, and this is the back view of the blouse. This blouse has back opening, and the back shape of the back is like square, and the borders are attached on the sleeves. This blouse has also some shimmery touch to it, and the front view of the blouse is this, and the neck is like higher than the previous two. So here comes the next one, which is again a golden blouse with a shimmery touch to it, and the sleeves are very detailed and beautiful with pearl and crystal stones attached to them. This is the back view of the blouse, and this is the sari border which I have attached on the lower back of the blouse and on the sleeves, and this has a oval shape cut on the back. It also has 2 dories attached on the back with some cute little balls hanging, and this is the front view of the blouse. So this is the last blouse from the golden collection, and this has shorter sleeves and a shimmery golden piping on the neck and around the sleeves. The front part is very simple because the black back part is very gorgeous with a white color see-through net and a very beautiful gorgeous, I guess this is called patchwork attached on the back, and this sari border is attached on the upper half of the blouse. Another blouse in this neutral shade is this beautiful silver sequence blouse, and I basically do not own any other silver color blouse because this blouse is like so beautiful, so gorgeous that it goes with any silver color, any blouse, any sari. It goes with any sari which needs a silver blouse. So this blouse I didn't attach any border to it because I wanted to keep it very basic and neutral so that I can grab this blouse whenever I need a silver blouse. The sequins are very glittery and shiny, and the sleeves are kept short. This is the front view of the blouse, and the back part of the blouse has a deep round cut to it with a hook, and that's it. This is a very basic black color blouse which I absolutely love because I can wear it anywhere to my work or to run my errands whenever I want to wear a sari. And the black color is very basic, as you can wear it with any color sari. The sleeves are kept short because in India most of the time the weather is very hot, and the back view of the blouse is actually the interesting part because it has a triangle shape cut out with a hook so that you can detach and wear it. And this fabric is like raw silk, and it is very shiny and wrinkle free. Starting with the second category, this blouse is absolutely stunning because as you can see the pink color is very bright and gorgeous, and the sleeves are short with a golden border, and then some detail work is done with some blue fabric which absolutely matches the sari. And the back view of the blouse is actually the interesting part with some see-through net attached in the shape of V. Next comes a I must say a bluish green or greenish blue color blouse. I don't know, this is a very unique green color, and this is a georgette blouse, and georgettes are see-throughs. That's why the front part of the blouse is sort of high neck, we call it boat neck, and the lining is done from bit lower, so like you have a bit of see-through part here on the upper part, and the sleeves have the sari border, and the sleeves are short, and the back part of the blouse is deep V cut with little details on it. Next comes a very beautiful statement blouse, and I can't wait to wear this because this is of very soft cotton, and the color is very soothing yet bright. This is the front view of the blouse, and the sleeves are like elbow length. The sleeves have dark blue details on them. I just absolutely love the prints and the designs on the blouse. And the back part of the blouse has the border on its side with dark blue buttons. Here comes the next one, which is very bright white, blue and green combination. It can actually be worn as a crop top with high waist skirt. The sleeves are very short next to sleeveless, and the front part has no opening, and the back part of the blouse has a deep V cut with back opening. This is my most favorite blouse of all because as you can see the color is very bright, and it absolutely makes a statement blouse piece because the fabric is very gorgeous with little golden sequence details on it, and actually the fabric is like a see-through one. It has little holes, and the lining I made with a very bright green neon green color to give this blouse an extra feel to it. This is the front view of the blouse, and this is the back view of the blouse. This blouse is absolutely stunning with the color combinations work great, and this has dories on its back, and the tassels are like dual color combination with neon green and neon pink. So starting off with the third category, which includes red, maroon and green color blouses. This one is the first blouse which I absolutely love because it also serves as a crop top, and there is no front or back opening, there is a side zip. So it looks like it gives a crop top feeling to it, which can be worn with a very beautiful, gorgeous, a contrast color lehenga and with a dupatta. This is a maroon color blouse with a see-through green net on its neck. This is boat shaped neck, and the piping are of maroon color, and the sleeves are also see-through green nets. And the back view of the blouse has its sari border attached diagonally to it, with half part of the blouse being see-through in net and the half part in the maroon color. Next comes a beautiful blood red, or I guess maroonish red blouse, and this is of velvet. This blouse is very gorgeous as the fabric is very bright in color, and the sleeves are of sari border, which is golden in color with little golden sequins and the detail works on them. And the back part of the blouse is very interesting as it has a big round hole, which gives a very dramatic look to your back, and the back is actually a high neck with a golden border on it. This is my next favorite blouse because it has so many colors on it, but still it looks very gorgeous. This is the back view of the blouse, and this is a green brocade with golden detail works on them, and the other half has net and some detailed pleats are going on, which are meeting on a sequence patchwork, which looks very gorgeous. The sleeves are see-through maroon net, and the sari border is attached on its end. The sari border has small little mirror works going on, and the black border looks absolutely stunning. And the front part of the blouse is pretty simple since the back part is very gorgeous. So starting off with the fourth category, which is the last one, and it has all the yellow orange shade on it. This is a bright yellow color blouse, and I absolutely love its color because it is a very refreshing, and the sleeves are short with pearl details on them, and these borders are very sparkly and gives a very gorgeous effect to the blouse, and the floral borders are also attached before the pearl borders. And this is the back view of the blouse. It has a very gorgeous cut. So next comes a very beautiful orangish golden blouse with blue details on the sleeves and some blue piping around the neck, and the back part of the blouse is square cut with small buttons on the side. So this is the last collection from my blouse, and this blouse is absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and I wore this with a lehenga and I got so many compliments. The orange color is very bright and gorgeous, and the sleeves have big mirror details on them, which makes the blouse look some sort of Rajasthani style. And the back of the blouse is very beautiful with a round deep cut, and the mirror detail works going round the cut. So starting off with the sari, we are starting with a very basic cotton sari, which is white, red and yellow color. This is the body of the sari, and this is the border, the lower part, and this material is very comfortable as it is made of cotton, and the sari has the inside part is beautiful yellow color with black prints on it, and the pallu is made up of golden border. This part comes in the pleats, and this part wraps up the whole body. The white part wraps up the whole body. So here comes the second one. It is a beautiful green kota sari. The fabric is known as kota, and the borders are beautiful floral prints with pink linings, and it has a beautiful blouse piece with it. I already have discussed this before. This sari is very basic because there is no other works going on, just a plain green sari with a wonderful border. Next comes a beautiful green pink sari. I love this color combination because the green has a neonish feel to it, and the pink is very like a hot pink color, which is a great combination. So the sari is a half and half because the body is like this. This wraps up the whole body, and the pleats are this beautiful bright pink which comes in the pleats, and the pallu which goes over the shoulder has some beige combination to it. Here comes the next two saris, which are basically of same fabric. Both are of kota, and both are wonderful colors. This green is very soothing, and this has a border, silverish golden kind of border, and the lower part of the sari is white with green and golden details, and the upper part of the sari has green and golden details also with green base. The whole sari is same with no other things going around. And next comes this beautiful peach shade sari, which is very elegant, and here is some patchwork going all around the sari with these stripes on the border. Next comes a tatesh sari, and this color is very bright purple with bottle green details on it, and actually I have worn this sari quite a number of times because I love the color, how bright it is, and it doesn't come with a matching blouse piece, and I wore it with a bottle green blouse. Next comes a beautiful royal blue color sari. I love this sari, how funky it looks with beautiful little parrot type birds all around, and with small little cute flowers on the lower part of the body. This is a beautiful red sari, and red color is very common for newly wedded brides, and I love this sari because this has some details of thread work, woolen work on net. This goes as pallu, and this is the border, and the lower part of the sari also has this net details. This sari is on the pricey side because it's silk, and this is the pallu part, which is pink and neon green all over, and this part is a beautiful royal blue. This is the body part which wraps up the body, and this border is of beautiful hot pink, and the upper part is neon green. I have a matching blouse to it, and this is the blouse which I wore with this, and the blouse piece came with this sari, and my tailor customized it with this see-through net at the back and with this little blue detail works on the sleeves. Next comes this beautiful golden yellow sari, and I love lotus, and this sari has lotus prints on it all over, and it's a silk sari, and it is also again in the pricey side, and this is the whole body, and the lower part of the sari has these prints on them. The upper part is green and the lower border is blue. This is a very lightweight sari, beautiful bluish green with golden details on them. This is a golden border on it, and the sari is all over pretty much the same, just the pallu has a little more wide golden border to it. Next comes my sunflower yellow color sari, which I love because of its bright color and these floral prints on it. This sari is also lightweight, but some weight is added because of the pearl laces attached to it on its border, and the lower part of the sari has these cute little flower designs which are see-through, which makes the sari extra gorgeous. This is a very beautiful piece. This sari is very lightweight as the material is a shimmery georgette, and the border is, this is the upper part of the sari, and the lower part, as we can see, has red borders with golden sequence border next to it, and this came with a contrast blouse piece, and I absolutely love how it works when worn together. This sari is an half and half. It's a beautiful purple sari with golden embroideries all over, and with these cute little stones, golden stones are on it, which adds to its gorgeousness. And this is one half of the sari, and the inside, which wraps up the body, is completely in contrast. This is a see-through net which comes as pleats, and this came with a blouse piece which I made like this. The tailor was very wise enough to have these patchwork made specially for this blouse, seeing the sari details on it. This is a black beautiful sari, and the fabric is jute silk, and this again has lotus borders which are in pink, and the sari all over has these patchworks on it, and the border is golden. So here comes the next one. This is again a green maroon sari with golden works on it. This is a half and half sari. This comes as the body wrapping part, and this maroon part comes in the pleats, which is absolutely gorgeous. These works looks so good, and these borders have little stones on them, and this also came with the blouse piece. this maroon blouse piece, and my tailor gave these see-through net and stitched the border part diagonally on the back. I love this blouse and the sari. So with this we are coming to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.